in the film industry. It's not all that uncommon for women to pose nude, often in Playboy magazine, in order to further their careers. Cindy Crawford did it. Drew Barrymore did it. Charlize Theron did it. Heck, even Sharon Stone did it. Azera, you might not realize it, but the auto industry has its own version of letting it all hang out in order to be taken seriously, and it's called developing a luxury or performance-oriented car. Hyundai did it with the Chrysler did it with the and perhaps less effectively. Volkswagen tried doing it with the back in 2003. And now, it's Kia's turn. With the 2014 Kia Cadenza. A luxury car from Kia. No way. Yes. Way. And before you go rolling your eyes, like every person they talked to about the 2014 Kia Cadenza, griping and moaning that a $41,000 Kia is simply out of the question, I ask that you keep an open mind. Because if your experience with the 2014 Cadenza is anything like mine, the only thing holding this crafty car back is a lack of branding cash the Kia badge, unfortunately, holds for most consumers. I was pretty stoked when the 2014 Kia Cadenza rolled up to the DT offices. I'd already caught a glimpse of Kia's slick ads for the car a few weeks prior and knew it looked like a stunner. Plus, a luxury car from Kia, the same company that brought us the ghastly Spectra and coma-inducing Sophia. View 2026. The Cadenza is a fun, stylish car that is worth the price of admission. After taking a quick walk around of the Kia Cadenza, it was time to jump in. What surprised me most was how refined the cabin felt. From the